Good morning, everyone. I am back again with another session of Science Chapter 8 Air and Water. Today, we are going to discuss the three forms of water. Okay, so water at normal room temperature exists in its liquid state, which is known as water. Okay, but when we heat this water, if we put it in a beaker and we heat it, if we put it in any bowl and we heat it, and then water will start boiling. At first it will start boiling, then it will convert into gaseous form and it will rise up. It will rise up. Okay, so this is known as water vapor. On heating, water changes its form from water to water vapor. I repeat, on heating, जब हम पानी को गर्म करते हैं, on heating, water changes its form from water to water vapor. If we put this water in a bowl, if we heat it, it will convert into water vapor. It will rise up as water vapor. Next, if we talk about the other form of water. On cooling, if we take an ice tray, if we put water in it and we put it in the refrigerator, what will we see? After some time, ice will come out. Okay, it will be there in the form of ice. So water on cooling converts or takes the form of ice. Water on cooling takes the form of ice. Okay, this is the solid state of water. This is the solid state. Ice is the solid state. Water itself is in liquid state, okay, at room temperature, and water vapor is the gaseous state. Water vapor is the gaseous state of water. So the three forms of water are ice, water vapor and water. Ice, water and water vapor. If we heat water, it will convert to water vapor. If we cool water, it will convert to ice. Okay, so it exists in liquid state, in solid state as well as in gaseous state. Now if I talk about the shape of water, water does generally exist in liquid state, right? So what happens when we transfer it from a glass to a bowl? If we transfer it from a glass to a bowl, it will take the shape of a bowl. If we transfer it in a jug, it will take the shape of a jug. So water does not have its own shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is put. If I transfer it in a glass, it will take the shape of a glass. If I transfer it in any bowl, it will take the shape of a bowl. If I transfer it in a cooker, it will take the shape of a cooker. So water does not have its own fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container in which we keep it. Okay, so these are the three forms of water, and we also studied about the shape of water, that there is no fixed shape. Next thing that I have covered in the sessions is the evaporation. Now what happens? This change in form of water, this change that is happening in the form of water, if we heat it or we cool it, it exists in nature also. It happens in nature also. How does it happen in nature? When water from river, lake, ocean, seas or any other big water bodies, it gets heated up. It gets heated up due to the heat of the sun. It rises above. It rises above in the form of water vapor. Here we are heating the water, and here the sun is heating the water present in river, sea, lake and ocean. So this water rises up in the form of water vapor and it is known as evaporation. E-V-A-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. T-I-O-N. Evaporation. This process in which the water from river, lake, seas, etc. gets heated up due to the heat of the sun and rises up in the form of water vapor, or gets changed from water to water vapor due to the heat of the sun is known as evaporation. Okay, so this is all that I have covered in this entire week. All right. Thank you. Keep learning and keep watching. And also a very happy Independence Day to all of you.